5 o'clock in the morning. Been up since about 3:30. Can't sleep. This is my life. Mom came and got Kennedy for the weekend. Still can't sleep. Good morning. I'm here today by myself. My chair's empty. Just got a pillow in it. But the show goes on. And I'm excited because my iron was really low. Last time my doctor told me that I was going to have to get a blood transfusion if I couldn't get my iron up. And guess what? It's up so high that the nurses are amazed. They're showing each other like, oh my goodness, look how high your iron is. So I started taking iron pills twice a day, sometimes once a day, and drinking it with orange juice, taking it with orange juice or vitamin C pill, because he said that helps to make it absorb better. So that happened. So I will keep you posted. Okay, I'm hooked up, about to kick back. Got my tablet and my devotional book, and I'm gonna read and chill out for a little while. Feeling pretty good. Survived the snow. The roads aren't looking too bad. So Brandon will come pick me up after I'm finished my session. I'll probably try to eat before I knock out for the evening. And then we'll see how it goes. 5th treatment. 5 down and 7 to go. Math. Math. Good evening. I'm snugged in my bed, snuggled up in my favorite blanket. This one, by the way, it came from the dollar store a very long time ago. But this is my pride and joy blanket, and it keeps me safe and warm. So I had round 5 today, and all went well. I used my window of time to do a little quick shopping and straightening up, and I went all the way up until I had 0 steam left, and now I'm in the bed, and I'll probably be here for like the next 24 hours. But so far so good. I was just really excited about getting my iron levels up, because I did not want to have a blood transfusion, and the nurses were even like, they thought that I had a blood transfusion. They said, oh, you must have came in and had blood between now and your last session. And I was like, no, why? And she said, your numbers are really high. And so they were sharing it and looking and pretty excited about my iron levels being high, but I was the most excited. I don't know why having somebody else's blood kind of weirds me out, and I know it's necessary and there's nothing wrong with it, but I don't want it. So for now, I don't have to get that. So I think that's it for as far as updates. I'll post hair pictures because I know everybody loves those. I got a couple wigs. Woo-hoo. I probably won't wear them all the time, just, here and there as I feel comfortable. But these little wraps and turbans I actually like, and they're very comfortable and they keep my head warm. So, all right, about to watch Mad Max, I think this is, with the hubby. So I will talk to you guys later.